In this video, let's understand the difference between parallel circuit and a series circuit. In a series circuit, same amount of current flows through all the components, whereas in parallel circuit, the current flowing each component combines to form the current flow through the source. In a series circuit, components are arranged in a line, whereas in a parallel circuit, components are arranged parallel to each other. When resistors are put in a series circuit, the voltage across each resistor is different even though the current flow is same through all of them. Whereas when a resistor are put in a parallel circuit, the voltage across each of the resistor is same. In a series circuit, if one component breaks down, the whole circuit will burn out. Whereas in a parallel circuit, if one component breaks down or doesn't function, other components will function as every component acts as an independent circuit. In a series circuit, if V is the total voltage, then it is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Whereas in a parallel circuit, if V is the total voltage, then it is equal to V1, which is equal to V2, which is equal to V3.